15 TSA liquid secrets airlines don't want seniors to know, and how they're keeping you broke at airport shops. Here's what nobody tells you. Airlines and airports make billions from overpriced toiletries and emergency purchases when TSA confiscates your items. They're counting on you not knowing the real rules, and the insider tricks that could save you hundreds on every trip. Most seasoned travelers think they know TSA's liquid rules, but they're missing the game-changing loopholes that smart seniors use to breeze through security with everything they need. Airlines don't advertise these secrets because they want you buying their $15 travel-size shampoo bottles and $8 toothpaste tubes. These insider tips could turn your next airport experience from expensive and stressful to smooth and budget-friendly. Let's dive in. 15. The container size conspiracy most seniors fall for. Most travelers get this completely wrong, and it's costing them a fortune. Here's the trap. TSA agents will confiscate your 4-ounce moisturizer even if it's only half full, but they'll wave through a 3.4-ounce bottle that's completely packed. The rule isn't about how much liquid you have, it's about what's printed on the container. Airlines love this confusion because it drives panic purchases at their overpriced airport shops. But here's your insider move. Always check the container size, not the amount inside. Your expensive anti-aging cream in a 5-ounce jar? Gone. That same cream transferred to a 3.4-ounce travel container? Absolutely fine. Pro tip, buy a set of empty 3.4-ounce containers online for under $10. Transfer your premium products and save hundreds compared to buying travel sizes. What most people don't realize is there's an even bigger money-saving secret coming up. 14. The solid swap that saves your liquids allowance. Airlines don't want you to know that half your liquid products have solid alternatives that bypass TSA rules entirely. This is where smart seniors get ahead of the game. Dry shampoo powder instead of aerosol cans, moisturizer sticks instead of creams, shampoo bars instead of bottles. These solid alternatives don't count toward your 1-quart liquid allowance, meaning more room for the liquids you absolutely need. The beauty industry keeps this quiet because solid products often last longer and cost less per use. That $12 shampoo bar? It'll outlast 3 bottles of liquid shampoo and never needs to fit in your TSA bag. Exact phrase to remember. Solids don't count. Deodorant sticks, soap bars, powder makeup, none of these touch your liquid limit. Pro tip. Clinique makes a travel face soap bar that comes in its own case and lasts for months. Airlines hate that you can pack this without using any of your precious liquid space. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's a partner trick that doubles your liquid allowance. 13. The partner pawnoff strategy. Airlines never mention. This one could completely change how couples travel, and airlines definitely don't advertise it. Each passenger gets their own 1-quart liquid bag. If you're traveling with a spouse or companion who uses fewer toiletries, you can legally distribute your liquids between both bags. The TSA rules say 1 bag per passenger. They don't say the liquids have to belong to that passenger. Most seniors don't realize this loophole exists because airlines prefer you buy duplicate items rather than share space efficiently. But seasoned travelers have been using this trick for years. Exact phrase to use. Simply pack items in your companion's bag. No explanation needed to TSA agents. Pro tip. Men typically use fewer liquid toiletries, making them perfect candidates to carry your extra face creams, serums, or hair products. Think that's clever? Just wait until you hear about the timing trick that could save your most expensive items. 12. The quick access rule that prevents confiscations. Most seniors lose items at security because of this one organizational mistake. TSA agents are often in a hurry, and if they can't quickly see what's in your toiletry bag, they're more likely to flag items for additional screening or confiscation. Airlines know this creates stress purchases of replacements at airport shops. Your secret weapon, Pack your liquids bag in an easily accessible spot and organize it so agents can see everything at a glance. Clear containers, logical arrangement, and quick retrieval from your carry-on. Exact strategy. Keep your liquids bag in the top compartment of your personal item, never buried in your main carry-on where you'll hold up the line digging for it. Pro tip. Experienced travelers put their toiletry bag in the same spot every time. Muscle memory at security checkpoints reduces stress and mistakes. But what if I told you there's something even better you can do before you pack? 11. The detachment rule that saves you from expensive mistakes. Airlines count on emotional attachment to overpriced products. Here's how to break free. Never pack anything in your liquids bag that you can't afford to lose. TSA agents can be unpredictable, and that $80 anti-aging serum might get confiscated even if it follows all the rules. Airlines love this because it drives immediate replacement purchases at their inflated prices. The insider secret: treat your carry-on toiletries as expendable travel versions of your favorites. Save the expensive stuff for your destination, where local prices are often lower than airport shops anyway. Exact mindset shift. Ask yourself, if TSA takes this, will I survive until I can replace it? If the answer is no, find an alternative. Pro tip: that $60 shampoo you're attached to? You can probably find similar quality locally for $15, and you'll discover new products in the process. What most travelers never realize is there's a multi-purpose item that solves 5 problems at once. 10. The Vaseline Victory that replaces half your products. This $3 pharmacy staple does the job of 5 expensive travel products. And airlines hate that you know this. Vaseline isn't just petroleum jelly. It's your secret weapon against airplane air that dries out your skin, lips, and even helps with minor cuts or irritation. One small container replaces lip balm, intensive moisturizer, cuticle cream, and even makeup remover in a pinch. Airlines prefer you buy separate products for each need because it maximizes their retail profits. But savvy seniors know that multi-purpose items stretch your liquid allowance further. Exact packing strategy. One small Vaseline container can handle 5 different skincare needs, leaving room for products that don't have alternatives. Pro tip: transfer Vaseline into a smaller container to maximize space. It goes a long way, and a little bit handles most travel skincare emergencies. But here's where smart seniors really get ahead of the game. 9. The multi-purpose products that maximize your liquid space. Airlines don't want you to know that one smart product choice can replace 3 separate items in your bag. Instead of packing shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in treatment separately, look for 3-in-1 or 5-in-1 styling products. These aren't just convenient, they're strategic. More functionality and fewer containers means more room for items that don't have multi-purpose alternatives. The beauty industry keeps quiet about how effective these combination products can be because they reduce overall sales. But for travel, they're game changers. Exact example: Olaplex makes a 5-in-1 styler that works as heat protectant, smoothing serum, and styling cream, all in one 3.3-ounce bottle. Pro tip: read ingredients lists. Many single-purpose products have similar formulations to multi-purpose ones, just with different marketing. If you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden secrets. And if you want more airline insider tips and senior travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. 8. The Mylar Water secret that airlines don't advertise. This one product solves the biggest travel skincare problem and costs less than airport face wipes. Airplane air destroys your skin, but most seniors don't know about Mylar Water, a French skincare secret that cleanses without needing a sink. Airlines prefer you use their overpriced face wipes or buy expensive cleansers at airport shops. Mylar Water removes makeup, cleanses skin, and refreshes you during long flights, all from one small bottle that fits perfectly in your TSA bag. It's particularly valuable when you're traveling to destinations where water quality is questionable. Exact product to look for. Garnier makes travel-size micellar water that's TSA compliant and available at most drugstores for under $4. Pro tip: bring cotton pads separately. They're solids, so they don't count toward your liquid limit, and you have a complete skincare system. What if I told you there's a breakout prevention strategy that most travelers never consider? 7. The Acne Prevention Hack for Travelers Over 50. Airlines don't warn you that travel stress and new foods can trigger breakouts, even for seniors who haven't had acne in decades. Travel disrupts your routine, introduces new foods, and creates stress. All breakout triggers that don't disappear with age. But most seniors don't pack breakout prevention because they assume they've outgrown acne. Smart travelers pack a small spot treatment because prevention is cheaper than dealing with breakouts while traveling. Airport shops charge premium prices for basic acne products, if they carry them at all. Exact strategy: pack a small tube of salicylic acid spot treatment. Origins makes one that's travel-sized and works on contact. Pro tip: apply spot treatment preventively to areas where you typically break out during stress. It's more effective than reactive treatment. But here's a sunscreen secret that could save your skin and your budget. 6. The sunscreen stick strategy that bypasses liquid limits. Most travelers waste precious liquid space on sunscreen. Here's how smart seniors avoid that trap entirely. Sunscreen sticks count as solids, not liquids, meaning they don't touch your 1-quart allowance. But airlines and airport shops prefer you don't know this because liquid sunscreens create more packing challenges and drive more purchases. Stick sunscreens also last longer, are less likely to leak, and are easier to reapply during travel. Plus, sunscreen is notoriously expensive at beach and mountain destinations. Exact packing advantage. A sunscreen stick frees up liquid space for products that don't have solid alternatives, like contact lens solution or prescription medications. Pro tip: look for broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher in stick form. Brands like Neutrogena and Blue Lizard make excellent travel-sized versions. Think that's helpful? Just wait for the toothpaste revelation that most seniors miss. 5. The electric toothbrush advantage airlines never mention. This one investment pays for itself in convenience and dental health, but airlines prefer you don't travel with quality dental care. Electric toothbrushes with travel cases count as electronics, not liquids, and they clean better than manual brushes, especially important when you're eating unfamiliar foods or dealing with travel stress that affects oral health. Airlines don't promote good dental hygiene tools because healthy travelers are less likely to need expensive emergency dental work that their insurance might not cover abroad. Exact recommendation: Philips makes a compact electric toothbrush with a travel case that fits perfectly in toiletry bags and charges via USB. Pro tip: the travel case protects both the brush and other items in your bag from getting damaged or dirty. But here's where the real space-saving magic happens. 4. The razor strategy. That saves space and money. Most seniors overpack shaving supplies. Here's the insider approach that maximizes efficiency. Instead of disposable razors that take up space and create waste, pack one quality razor handle with replaceable heads. This approach is more compact, more effective, and more economical than buying disposables at your destination. Airlines love when travelers buy grooming supplies at inflated airport prices, but smart seniors plan ahead with efficient packing strategies. Exact setup: one razor handle plus 2 to 3 replacement heads takes up less space than a pack of disposables and lasts much longer. Pro tip: replaceable head razors often provide better shaves than disposables, which matters when you're trying to look your best while traveling. What most people don't realize is there's a container strategy that could revolutionize your packing. 3. The container optimization secret. That doubles your packing efficiency. Airlines don't want you to know that the shape of your containers matters as much as the size. Square and rectangular containers pack more efficiently than round ones, but most travel-size products come in round bottles that waste space. The insider move: transfer products to square containers that fit together like puzzle pieces. This isn't just about following TSA rules, it's about maximizing the functionality of your allowed space. Airlines prefer inefficient packing because it drives purchases of their overpriced travel products. Exact strategy: invest in a set of square, stackable 3.4-ounce containers. They'll transform how much you can pack in your 1-quart bag. Pro tip: label your containers clearly. TSA agents appreciate transparency, and you'll avoid confusion when you're tired from travel. But here's the organization trick that prevents the most common senior travel mistake. 2. The quick access positioning that prevents security delays. This simple placement strategy could save you from being that person who holds up the security line. Your liquids bag should be in the same easily accessible spot every time you travel. Most seniors lose valuable items because they panic at security, can't find their toiletry bag quickly, and TSA agents get impatient. Airlines benefit from security delays because stressed travelers make impulsive purchases afterward. But smart seniors eliminate this stress with consistent organization. Exact placement: top zippered compartment of your personal item bag, never buried where you have to dig for it. Pro tip: practice the security routine at home. Muscle memory reduces stress and mistakes when you're dealing with real TSA agents. And here's the ultimate space-maximizing secret that ties everything together. 1. The half-full bag strategy that gives you emergency space. The most successful senior travelers never fill their liquids bag completely, and here's why that's genius. A half-full liquids bag gives you flexibility for unexpected purchases, gifts, or items you forgot to pack. It also makes security screening faster because TSA agents can see everything clearly. Airlines count on travelers maxing out their liquid allowance with inefficient products, then having to buy additional items at inflated airport prices. But smart seniors plan for flexibility. Exact approach: if your liquids bag is more than 75% full, you're packing inefficiently. Look for multi-purpose products or solid alternatives. Pro tip: that extra space becomes invaluable when you discover a local product you want to bring home or need to add prescription medications during your trip. So, which of these secrets could significantly enhance your next trip? Have you encountered any of these airline traps before? Share your experience in the comments so other savvy travelers can benefit. Also, don't miss our video on free things seniors can ask for on a flight. It reveals additional ways to save money and avoid the hassles that younger travelers face. Like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, travel smarter, not harder.